Creating a YouTube video involves several steps, including planning, recording, editing, and uploading. Here is a general overview of the process. Plan your video. Decide on the topic, length, and format of your video. Create a script or outline to guide you through the filming process. Record your video. Choose a location with good lighting and sound quality. Use a camera or smartphone to record your footage. Make sure to record several takes of each scene to have enough material to work with during editing. Edit your video. Use video editing software like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or iMovie to cut and arrange your footage. Add titles, transitions, music, and other effects as needed. Export your video. Save your edited video as a high-quality file format, such as MP4. Upload your video to YouTube. Sign in to your YouTube account and click on the Upload button. Select your video file and add a title, description, and tags to help viewers find your video. Publish your video. Choose whether to make your video public or private. Public videos can be seen by anyone on YouTube, while private videos can only be seen by people you invite. Promote your video. Share your video on social media, email it to friends and family, and embed it on your website or blog to increase its visibility. Remember that creating a successful YouTube video takes time and practice. Keep experimenting with different formats, styles, and topics to find what works best for you and your audience.